Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the general management, then go to the Samsung keyboard settings, and like on this device you don't have like one special settings like autocorrection, but you have different settings which are in some or another way correct your words. So you can like enable predictive text, which is this predictive text is basically autocorrection, which disables all the autocorrection features, as you can see. So but if you don't want to disable whole autocorrection, you can switch or suggest emojis, you can suggest stickers, you can replace words while typing, and you can even select languages on which you want to enable autocorrection or on which you want to disable it. So I think it's pretty useful, because if you want to use autocorrection on English but don't want to use it on Greek, nice. So yeah, but you can also just switch predictive text and disable autocorrection at all or enable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.